Okay, so I started cleaning out my pantry. Then I paused because I thought y'all might want to come along with me. And all of these boxes down here, I want to put them in the garage as well. And then I took out all the little snacks and stuff that the kids have, and bought these little, I don't know what it's called, little shelving from the Dollar Tree that I'm gonna try and stick these little oatmeal and snacks in and sit them on the shelf in the pantry. And then I also ordered a grocery haul from Walmart, so that'll be ready for pickup around, I can't remember, 6 or 7. So that's what we're gonna get into today. Anybody else kids going through snacks like crazy since we've been quarantined? I mean, I know the world is opening back up slowly but surely, but in the beginning, we didn't want the kids going out to the grocery stores and things, so I tried to stock up snacks that they would like. I tried to make it like they were still going to school, because we don't really do snacks in the house because most of the things that they want I could just make for them. But with them being here 24/7 and me still working at home, we tried to stock up on snacks, but it looks like they just taking advantage of that because they're not eating the snacks that we are purchasing. So that's why it looks like this whole array of all of this foolishness going on in the pantry right now. So hopefully if I take it out the boxes and put it in the baskets where they can see them, they'll be more apt to go in and get them instead of saying they need some new things. It also helped me when I go to the grocery store as well, not to buy more than what we need. I can actually see what we have in the pantry already. So that's all the leftover or empty boxes after I cleaned all the snacks out the pantry, and just looks so much better now that I took all the boxes out and condensed some things, used the little containers to organize some of the items. Okay, guys, so this is the grocery haul that I just picked up. It's almost 8 p.m. Um, and I went to the grocery store because I had a Walmart order that I was scheduled to pick up at 7. So I ran to Aldi's. We get our produce and stuff from Aldi's. So I ran to Aldi's to get the other stuff, get to Walmart at 7. And of course, when I get there, they send the text and say the order's not ready. So I had picked up my husband some food, so I just came on home, dropped this stuff off, and I'm still waiting for them to send me a text now. I preface this by saying we are not like really healthy eaters. And looking at everything on the table, it just looks like I just have orange juice for the kids and bananas and apples, and the cantaloupe was just, I need to cut that open because it's my father-in-law brought that over for us with some other fruit that I'm gonna cut. We got some strawberries. I'm gonna cut those up and freeze some of them and have some for the kids. And then cheese. They love cheese. And I bought these soft tacos to make fried Samoas. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then my husband has his salad here that he takes to work, along with the other fruits as well. And then just some chips and stuff. And then I also have this gravy and biscuits that I'm gonna make biscuit and gravy for breakfast tomorrow. So I'm just gonna put this food up, wait for Walmart to call me back with the other order, and then in the meantime cut up the fruit and freeze some of it. So let's go. So y'all, my father-in-law gave us 4 things of strawberries, and I already told y'all earlier that we are not like quote unquote healthy eaters. So what I'm gonna try and do, trick these kids, cut these strawberries up, put half of them in the freezer for another day, and then leave half of them out. Hopefully the kids will eat them if they are cut up in halves already. I'm also have an idea to put some of them in some lemonade, have strawberry lemonade with real strawberries, when we make lemonade the next time. And you'll also see me here pouring the flour into the container. I do have a flour, brown sugar, and white sugar container that I leave on my counter because we do a lot of cooking from scratch. So most of that is just for like breakfast items, making waffles, pancakes, and muffins. So it's just easy access. I leave that stuff out on the counters. And we just get into cutting up this fruit. My daughter must have smelled that I was about to clean up the kitchen because here she comes talking my head off about I have no idea. You'll see us going back and forth because that's what she likes to do. And so while I was cutting up the fruit, Walmart finally sent the message that my order was ready. It was closer to 9 p.m. at night. It was hot by that point, and I'm tired, so it wasn't a good combination. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the counters down, and I'll use a Clorox wipe to wipe it down after I wipe it down with the towel, just so it'll be disinfected when I bring the new groceries home, because they will go on the counter as well, so I can put them up. So if you're wondering, I don't really have meat from this grocery haul. We have a freezer in the garage, so we usually buy our meat in bulk from the meat market, and some of the frozen items that I got from the Walmart haul, I'll take those out to the freezer. So we don't have to purchase meat like once a week or every other week, how I do things that normally go in the pantry. Our freezer is normally stocked. We go about between 4 and 6 weeks, and that just depends on how often we ate out, during that past couple of weeks. So, and then you'll also see me here fill up the sugar. I had to get the sugar from Walmart. Okay, so now that I have the groceries all put up, I'm going to get into cleaning up the kitchen. It's bedtime now. So I'm just going to clean up the kitchen and get ready for the end of the evening. And I like to, because I'm about to clean up, light candles that I have around the house. The smell just makes me feel good when I'm cleaning up the kitchen. So that makes my time go by a little faster. So I'm going to get into washing these dishes. Again, I told you guys before that I'm not against using a dishwasher, but majority of the time I do hand wash my dishes, and I do like to put bleach in my dishwater. That was before pre-COVID we were doing that. So I'm going to get into that. And you'll see me, my, what is this, Alexa tablet, Fire tablet on the side, on the counter over there. I do like to watch other YouTubers, while I'm washing my dishes. And right now I'm watching Love Meg. She has some really good, ideas and things of that nature when it comes to house and keeping the home. And she's decorating for Christmas now and doing her Christmas tree. So she a little ahead of the game for me, but I'm just watching to get some inspiration now while I wash the dishes. Okay, unfortunately, the video stopped after I wiped down the counters and stuff, so you don't get to see me sweep and mop the kitchen floor. Just know that was done. This is a nightly routine that I do. My parents end up calling me, so I had to stop the recording and talk to them. You will see the overview here of the kitchen once it's clean. And again, this is what I do every night before we go to bed. Those wine glasses are on the counter because I plan to wash those, and then there'll be another video where I decorate my buffet server, so stay tuned for that. And you guys, thank you for making it to the end. Take care of yourself and take care of home. Have a good one.